What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out this Rough Country retractable bed cover fitting all 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacomas with the 5-foot bed. Now, a tonneau cover is one of the first mods that you should be looking into for your Tacoma if you want a completed appearance for your truck in addition to full bed protection. Now, this cover by Rough Country will do just that while being incredibly easy to use with the effortless retractable design, whether you're in the bed of your Tacoma on a daily basis or just want to use it once in a while. Now, the biggest benefit here, in my opinion, is the seamless function and the look of this cover. Now, it has the look of a soft cover on top, which adds that sharp appearance, especially paired with the low profile build, but you're getting the security of a tough hard cover, which will keep your items safe from wannabe thieves and, of course, the elements. Now, it also has a key lock for extra security, but will lock just fine with your tailgate. Now, as far as how this works, it's going to be very simple with a large handle to release the cover when it's fully open, and because it is spring assisted with the long pull strap, it's going to roll right into the canister for you. Now, as you can see, this is the canister. It's going to be fairly compact, and this is how it's going to sit on the back of your bed. Now, when it comes time to close it, all you have to do is grab that pull strap and pull it right back into place. Now, what I really like about this cover is that you can even partially close this with multiple different positions on the bed, allowing you options when it comes to your setup, no matter what you have in the bed, if you need it partially open for some cargo or want to keep it fully closed. Now, like I said, this cover does have the look of a soft cover on top, and that's thanks to a layer of foam and hardcore vinyl, which will hold up very well to the sun and any harsh elements over time. Now, underneath will be durable aluminum slats to provide that layer of tough security, and the side rails are going to be aluminum as well. However, those are going to be powder coated to match the cover and protect the aluminum from the elements and corrosion. Now, you would also think that the canister in the back is going to take up a lot of space. However, like I mentioned, this is going to be fairly compact, saving you a decent amount of room in your bed compared to other options. And because this does have a full clamp-on drill-free design, if you ever do need to utilize the full bed, you can easily pop it out whenever you need to. Now, the cover is going to come in at roughly $1,100 as far as the price is concerned, which for a hard roll-up cover isn't half bad. And I will say that this will save you a few bucks compared to other options while still offering a lot of quality and function out of the package. And I also think that compared to other manual roll-ups and trifolds, that this is going to be one of the easiest covers to work with because of the design, making it a great option if you are in the bed a lot, but you don't want to completely break the bank when it comes to a tonneau cover. Install here is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Like I said, it is a drill-free design. It only clamps on, so it should only take you about 45 minutes to get the job done. Now, at this point, we can head over to our shop and show you a detailed breakdown on how to get this onto your Tacoma at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you need a 3/8 ratchet, an 11mm socket, Phillips head screwdriver, and 3mm Allen. All right, today we're going to be installing a tonneau cover on our Tacoma, so let's get started. All right, first thing we need to do is set our tonneau cover box in place. What we're going to do is you're going to use the pull strap, just wrap it around it so it's easy to lift up, and just set it into the front of the bed. All right, now we can install our rails. All right, so now we can start putting our rail on. They are labeled left and right, just make sure you have the right one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our rail up. It's going to slide over the end here. There will be a bolt going through this hole in the end here into the threaded portion in the rail. All right, we're going to take our longer of our bolts and get our lock washer and flat washer and thread that into the bottom.
All right, and we just leave that hand tight for now.
All right, now we're going to start assembling our brackets. We have our 2 brackets that slide onto our rail. This one is going to go towards the front. Just going to slide on the end of the rail like that. Another one. All right, then we can pop our end cap off on our factory rail. Slide our studs in. Put our end cap back on. And assemble our brackets. So we have our bracket here. All right, so we're gonna take our bracket, put it over our studs. Then we're gonna go flat washer, lock washer, then our nut. Same thing on the other stud. All right, then we're gonna take our smaller of our bolts. We're gonna take a lock washer and a flat washer and thread that into the sliding portion. All right, you do the same thing for the other bracket. All right, on this front bracket, while we have it back here, we have our locking set screw. We're gonna put it on our 3mm Allen and just thread it in the front there. And we don't wanna tighten it because we want it to move. We'll come back and tighten everything later. All right, now you just repeat those same steps for the other rail. All right, now we can go ahead and tighten everything. So we're gonna start with our front bolt. It's an 11mm socket. All right, we can also do the same thing with our front bracket. They're also 11mm nuts. All right, and same thing with our rear bracket. All right, and then we're gonna come back and take our 3mm Allen wrench and tighten our set screw. All right, now there are two drain tubes, one on either side. We're gonna plug ours into the bottom, just snaps in place. All right, now there would be an access panel right here on your bed if you didn't have this bed liner or somewhere else on the other side. You do want to have the drain properly outside of the bed so that no water builds up. Ours would have to be modified since there's no access panels. So for demonstration purposes, we're just gonna leave ours laying in our bed. All right, and then you can just repeat all those steps on the other side. All right, now we just have to put our cover on for our tonneau cover. This is gonna lay over top. You will see, it does says cab sides, just make sure it's oriented right. Lay it down, and we're gonna grab our supplied Phillips head screws and secure it down. All right, you just do the same thing for the other side. All right, and then we're gonna take our supplied Velcro piece, put it to our pull strap, and then you're gonna secure it to anywhere on the rail that you want. It's just gonna help keep it out of the way and make it easy to grab. All right, and that wraps up our install of our Rough Country retractable bed cover for our 2016 to 2023 Tacoma with a 5-foot bed. And remember, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.